Hi, Tom Watts from Tech Republic here, on-site at Scale Computing Platform 2026. As businesses prioritize cost, expertise, and support from their vendors, Scale Computing aims to move from transactional relationships to trusted partnerships with all its customers. Joining me now is Nick Alexander, Vice President of Information Technology at Cumming Management Group, who made the switch to Scale Computing. Welcome, Nick.
Thank you, Tom. Appreciate you having me here. I'm very excited to talk scale computing.
Wonderful. Now, to kick us off, can you tell us a little bit more about your business and your position? Like, what about it relies on the technology provided by Scale Computing?
I work at a global construction management firm. We work on very large, complex construction projects. So we are an owner's rep. Our clients are the ones that are building it, right? They're the business. They don't know how to build maybe a theme park ride, right? But they know they come to us. We handle the project management, the cost management, and the project scheduling, right? These things are very complex, and because you know how to design a beautiful wall, you're not going to know how to build it up and stuff. And so really that's kind of what our business is about. For me, as Vice President of IT, I oversee all the technology, IT support, cybersecurity needs of the entire business on a global basis.
Nice. And what's interesting about your relationship with Scale Computing is obviously you used to be a VMware customer and you've since made the switch. So can you tell us a little bit more about when and why you made that decision to move to Scale Computing?
It's probably a familiar story to a lot of IT leaders, right? VMware was the big giant in the industry. And when that acquisition happened, it really forced our hand. But what I'll share is I had actually been speaking with Scale before that, and their solution just really blows you away when you really get to talk with them. They're very enthusiastic about it. And so I would say I almost made my decision before that happened, but the timing wasn't right? We had invested heavily in servers, storage, and VMware obviously is not cheap. But once this happened, it was an easy win-win situation to move forward, and talked with Scale and said, let's get serious, and the rest is history.
Fantastic. And that's what we like to hear, especially at Platform 2026. Now, technology aside, what is it about working with Scale that maybe feels different? How do they prioritize the relationship when it comes to working with you?
They do an amazing job of really making you feel like you are a true partner and that they're an extension of your team. And for an IT leader, right, we're running thin resources, right, skeleton crews at some points, right, very, very demanding to meet budgetary needs and such for the business. You can go to Scale Computing and you just tell them, hey, this is our problem, and they will throw every resource at it and make you really feel like you're the only customer in the world. And that's pretty special, right? That's hard to do. And they do it on a consistent basis.
Yeah, I mean, you love to hear it, and obviously it's had quite an impact on yourself and your business. Nick, thanks for joining us today. It's been a pleasure having you. I've been Tom Watts, and if you want to find out more about Scale Computing Platform 2026, please visit techrepublic.com.